Honorable Speaker, Honorable Co-Presiding, distinguished members of the House of Representatives, this briefing from the Liberia Airport Authority is particularly in line with our regulatory mechanism and procedures governing the shipping and receiving of cargoes at the RIA. And we'd like to be clear here with emphasis that the National Civil Aviation Program, the Liberia Civil Aviation Regulatory Program, the airport security SOPs, our water. This briefing will also have a responsibility of the Liberia Airport Authority Security vis-a-vis the Liberia Airport Management Team. The regulatory mechanism governing the shipping or receiving of goods at the airline. The National Civil Aviation Security Program is one document I got at work. The Liberia Civil Aviation Regulations is another one I got at work. The Airport Security Program is also another one. In accordance with ACAO Annex 17 Standard 4.6 and National Civil Security Program, we at the airport have responsibility to screen goods on the or cargo. The national security apparatus comprising LDE, police, and all other national security apparatus are the ones who receive whatever cargo is presenting. Our responsibility is only to screen the cargo, check for a couple of things. One, the weight of the cargo that is supposed to be on the plane. Two, what is in that cargo. So our screeners check what raised this alarm, and clearly was the weight on the airway bill was different from the weight in the X-ray machine. And that was sufficient for our screener to set the cargo aside. The second thing, you are saying, for example, you have hair, human hair in a cargo. The images in the X-ray machine is showing pain. So it's sufficient to tell the screeners, we are not satisfied with these temporary ones. We put our goods one side, our cargo, and inform the authorities. We immediately ask the national security apparatus to investigate. That is our responsibility. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so very much. We now take the RIA before we head on to the